Hey, this is my first time building a PC, and just to give you some background, I'm not a streamer nor a professional content creator. I'm just your normal 8 to 5 corporate worker. No, I don't have a car, and ever since my laptop is dead for the past 2 months, I'm very bored. Really bored. Okay, so this is my old laptop. It is totally dead now. Probably the motherboard, the processor, I don't know, but right now I'm going to replace this 6 years old laptop with these PC components and start building my first ever PC. Well, since I'm a beginner at this and don't know where to start, I guess I'm going to start by assembling my monitor first. Okay, let's do it then. And now I'm going to take out the SSDs from my old laptop, and probably I will clean my desk too to make sure there are no dusts. Okay, this is the NVMe SSD. And this is the SATA SSD. Okay, now I will start cleaning my desk so that I can put my monitor and gaming case and see if they fit well with my desk. Well, now I just realized that the power socket is too far from my desk and my monitor power cable cannot reach it, so I guess I have to renovate my room. Now, finally, it is time to check our PC components. Now, let's start with our motherboard. I use ASRock B650M PG Lightning. It comes with a Wi-Fi card and it also supports AM5 AMD processors. For the processor, I use AMD Ryzen 5 7600X. I also use both my NVMe SSD and SATA SSD from my old laptop, RX6700XT graphics card, Corsair CX750 power supply, T-Force 32GB DDR5 RAM, Cube Gaming Storm V2 for my CPU cooler, and I also bought an extra fan for my gaming case. Well, now I have all my PC components, I can finally build my PC. Or maybe not. Okay, today is the day I finally start building my first PC. I'm going to share my process with you guys. This is going to take a while, so you can skip it if you just want to see the final product. Hope you enjoy the clip and wish me luck. Okay, I have finally built my first PC and I will show you how much the budget I spent for this build. Tell me what do you think in the comment section below, and if you enjoy the video, please leave a like. Also, feel free to subscribe to my channel. See you and have a great day.